Hi YouTube viewers, this is Merle Strom. Today is a special event in American history. This afternoon, we will be able to view the solar eclipse in the 48 states of the United States. How much is depending on where you are. Since I have limited time to post this video, I just took pictures of what I did with my camcorder lens, put them together in a slideshow to show you how I put a solar filter into my camcorder lens so I can safely take videos of this afternoon's special event without burning my camcorder lens. I also used the other filter in my iPhone camera lens as well. Unfortunately, I don't have another camera to use to take pictures of my iPhone, but it is the same idea. Hope you find this helpful. It only takes a few minutes to make. All you need is a filter from a pair of Solar Eclipse glasses, shipping tape, black construction paper, a cutter or a pair of scissors, and of course the glue. Hope you enjoy and have fun viewing the solar eclipse this afternoon. It is a once-in-a-lifetime event. Always remember, safety first. Wear your protective solar eclipse eyeglasses. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.